Greetings viewers, this is Gajah Mada News. My name is Rafa Kanza and I'm going to tell you a story today about words, or rather the agonizing absence of them, rather than politics or war. For the next 5 minutes in Gajah Mada News. Over 270 million people live in Indonesia, a country that is silently struggling with literacy crisis. Millions of Indonesians still struggle to read, understand, and be heard in this quickly changing digital age. Let's analyze the details. More than 70% of Indonesian students came up of short basic reading levels per the most recent PISA report. It means that most of our people are unable to fully understand what they read in the full sense. It also begins early. According to a 2023 Semeru Institute study, 53% of 10 years old are unable to understand a straightforward passage that is age-appropriate. That's over half of our next generation left behind before they've even started. And entry, even worse. Indonesia needs more than 400,000 certified librarians, but it currently has less than 4,000. At the same time, over 57 million people do not have access to a trusted internet. How can students learn about science or math or understand an election ballot if they are not able to read? There are actual consequences. Poor literacy results in low grades, few opportunities, and unluckily a difficult to break cycle of poverty. In Jakarta, 97% of people are literate. However, it falls below 85% in some rural areas. The difference is economic as well as academic. It's generational issue. Why is this taking place? Expert attributes this to a number of factors: lack of good libraries, lack of preparations for teachers, and the most concerning of all, low reading culture. Many young people today scroll through social media for hours on end and spend by reading a book for a few minutes. The basic concept of education is in danger due to this change. However, there is still hope. Dedicated volunteers in Yogyakarta has transformed boats and motorcycles to a mobile libraries. They bring books to kids who have never seen real storybooks as they cross rivers and mountains. One librarian said, "When children read, their eyes light up. It's like watching someone discover their own voice." Over 24 million people across the nation have been reached by the government's digital literacy plan. Additionally, in just 1 year, the adult illiteracy rate has decreased from 1.5% to just 1.08%. The literacy crisis in Indonesia is more than just a statistic. It is a call for action, and it is up to us young people to answer that call. Let's make additional libraries. Let's read more books together. Above all, let's make sure no child is left behind by their inability to read. Since literacy is more than just a reading, it has to do with honor, it has to do with opportunity, and it also has to do with freedom. Together, let's turn the page toward a better, to the optimistic Indonesia. Hope you have a great day. My name is Rafa Kanza. Gajah Mada News comes to an end.